Now that Meadow Hall's open 10 till 10 p.m. weekdays, shopping has never been more convenient for you and your family. With all your favourite stores, restaurants and free parking for more than 12,000 cars, Meadow Hall has all you ever wanted, all under one roof. And when you've finished shopping, why not relax with a movie and round off your day with something tasty? Open 10 till 10 p.m. weekdays right through till Christmas. Meadow Hall, junction 34 off the M1.
No mobile phone network beats us for coverage of the UK and abroad. No mobile phone network beats us for putting more people in touch with each other. And no mobile phone network beats us for quality of service. Quite simply, it's the best. Who says it's the best? An independent survey of the Telecoms Managers Association. Not just 1 year, but 5 years in a row. For them, the word is Vodafone. Every day, more mums and dads choose Pampers than any other nappy. Why?
Because it keeps my baby's bottom dry, smooth,
soft. Like a sort of peach.
I can tell the difference.
She normally sleeps for 11 hours, and when I take the nappy off, her skin is really dry. I wish my skin was like that.
Pampers are the only nappies with lotion care.
Well, you can see the lotion strips sort of shining in the bottom of the nappy.
It's like a protective seal for your baby's skin.
And as long as he's happy, you know, happy child, happy parents.
They're obviously working.
I've tried using other nappies.
There is a huge difference.
Told you so. Pampers, the favourite nappy with mums, dads and babies.
I'd never change from Pampers.
Not for 100 packs of another nappy.
No, you're having me on. It's wheaty and it's light.
I think it's really great.
It's like it's crispy.
Not really. No, is it?
Are you sure? All brand.
Believe it or not, Kellogg's have actually produced an all brand that tastes delicious. Natural wheatiness spun into crispy golden bundles. Who'd have thought that very high fibre could taste this good? All the taste, all the fibre. Kellogg's all brand bite size helps keep you healthy on the inside.
Bathe in a bathroom like this? With growing mold and soap scum? No way. But there's a powerful cleaner that tackles both. Jif Active Cream with bleach. The bleach activates the cream, making lighter work of the most difficult dirt. Brilliant! Jif Active Cream with bleach. Available alongside Jif White and Lemon.